Hi children, in the previous video you have studied about finding out square root by prime factorization. Now today we'll continue with same thing but then with a little twist where a number will be given to you. You have to factorize it, which won't be a perfect square. You have to find that missing factor or the multiple which is going to make the given number a perfect square. Process is same. You have to factorize it like this. Prime factorization is required, and then you have to find out that single number that will make you easy to get the perfect square number. Okay, so here is an example in your textbook. Example 6 on page number 101. I am reading out the question for you. Is 2352 a perfect square? If not, find the smallest multiple of 2352 which is a perfect square. Find the square root of new number. Looking at the question, you may feel that is such big question. What all things we have to do? It will be a big question mark. Very simple it is. The first part of the question, that whether the given number is a perfect square or not, you break the question and you will find first part is 2352 a perfect square? For that you have to factorize it, and as I had told you earlier that on factorizing the number you will get prime factors in pairs only. If any prime factor is unpaired or if it remains single, that means it's not a perfect square. Okay, so either you have made mistake or the number given is not a perfect square. So you can see, to check whether it is a perfect square or not, here the number is being prime factorized, factorization is being done, and you have got the prime factors. You can see one pair of 2, second pair of 2, 3 is single, and pair of 7. So 3 is that number which is unpaired, and 2, that means 2352 is not a perfect square. Okay, so as prime factor 3 has no pair, 2352 is not a perfect square. So the number which is left out alone will be the smallest number that has to be multiplied to 2352 to get a multiple or a number which is going to be a perfect square. For that, what is the process you have to do? जो नंबर रह गया अकेला, उसी नंबर को इस तरफ गिवन नंबर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करोगे. एट द सेम यू आर गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई टुवर्ड्स द राइट हैंड साइड ऑफ द process also. So 2352 multiplied by 3 and 3 is multiplied with these factors also. So you get a pair of 3 also. Now you need not multiply this and get the answer. Only you have to do is you have to multiply 3 to this number. 2 3s are 6, then 3 5s are 15, 5 1 carry over, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10, 0 1 carry over, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. So on multiplying 3 to 2352 we get a new number, that is 7056, which is a perfect square. Now getting square root of this, from here only you can take 1 2 from here, another 2 from here, 3 from here, and 7 from here, and multiply it. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, and 12 7s are 84. Isn't it easy? It's very easy. Only you have to see what has to be found out. First, check whether it's a perfect square. If it's not a perfect square, find the smallest multiple of 2352, that is the number, smallest factor that has to be multiplied with the given number to get a perfect square. मल्टीप्लाई करके वो नंबर फाइंड आउट कर लो और फिर बाद में सेम वे फैक्टर्स के साथ वही नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करना है ताकि आप उसमें से परफेक्ट स्क्वायर फाइंड आउट कर सको. फाइंडिंग आउट परफेक्ट स्क्वायर इज़ वेरी इजी. आउट ऑफ द पेयर यू टेक आउट वन and multiply. Finally I'll get the square root of the given, not given number, the revised number or the obtained perfect square. Okay, ये आप ज़्यादा अच्छी तरह से समझ पाओगे जब मैं प्रैक्टिकली सम करके दिखाऊंगी the sum which is given in the exercise. Now move on to 7th question. Example: find the smallest number by which 9408 must be divided so that the quotient is a perfect square. Find the square root of the quotient. तो यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है? You have to find out the smallest number by which on dividing 9408 you get a perfect square number. Because 9408 is not a perfect square. You cannot find out square root of this given number. तो यहाँ पे भी वही thing you have to find out the prime factorization. You have to take out the factors, prime factors of the given number. Let's check. यहाँ पे उन्होंने divide करके factors find कर लिया है. तो आप देख सकते हो पेयर ऑफ टू, पेयर ऑफ टू, पेयर ऑफ टू एंड पेयर ऑफ 7 इज देयर, बट पेयर 3 इज स्टैंडिंग ऑल अलोन. इन द प्रीवियस केस वी मल्टीप्लाइड द मिसिंग फैक्टर, बट हियर व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, एज इट इज गिवन डिवाइड and quotient term is used, what will you do is you will remove that 3, that single factor, and then whatever is left that will be your answer. तो यहाँ पे जब हम remove करते हैं, removing means you will divide it. What will you do is you will divide 9408 with 3. On dividing, whatever answer you get, here they have got 3136. So this is the number, actual number which is a perfect square. and अगर इस 3 को हम निकाल देते हैं, यहाँ से हम निकाल ही देंगे, तो जो पेयर मिलता है उसी पेयर में से हम एक एक नंबर फैक्टर निकालेंगे और मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, तो वो होगा आपका स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 3136. यहाँ पे हम कोई फैक्टर इंक्लूड नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम एक्सक्लूड कर रहे हैं. एक्सक्लूड कर रहे हैं इसलिए हम यहाँ पे डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. जो फैक्टर को हम एक्सक्लूड कर रहे हैं उसी फैक्टर से हम डिवाइड करेंगे, उसी नंबर से हम डिवाइड करेंगे, और डिवाइड करने पर जो नंबर मिलेगा वो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर होगा और उसका स्क्वायर रूट रिमेनिंग फैक्टर्स में से फाइंड करना होगा. अंडरस्टूड? इट्स नॉट दैट डिफ़िकल्ट. सिर्फ इतना ध्यान रखना है कि स्मॉलेस्ट मल्टीपल फाइंड करना है या स्मॉलेस्ट क्वोशंट फाइंड करना है. That is whether to multiply the factor or you have to divide the factor with. Okay, so let's begin with the exercise question, exercise 6.3, और उसमें आपको मिलेगा, here you have 5th question. For each of the following numbers, find the smallest whole number by which it should be multiplied so as to get a perfect square number. Also find the square root of the square number so obtained. So the example 6 which we did, we have to perform in the same way. So let's begin. Our first number is 252. So your first number which we have to factorize, that is 252. Okay, 2 ones are 2 2s are 4, 6s are 12. 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6. Now this is not divisible by 2, so I will check whether it is divisible by 3 or not. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, again 3 7s are 7 1s are. Now you can see here you have one pair, this pair of 3, but 7 is left alone. So 252, from the question it is sure only that it's not a perfect square, because you are not asked to check whether it's a perfect square or not. From the question itself it is sure that 252 is not a perfect square, but you have to find out the smallest number, whole number, by which on multiplying 252 we get a new number which is going to be a perfect square, and then you have to find out its square root. To find out its square root, you need not carry out the whole process like this. You just have to do one single change. What type of changes you have to do? Just look. Not to write much. This is enough. Is the 7 is the number which is left alone, we have to take it. 7 is the smallest whole number by which 252 should be multiplied. That's enough. To get perfect square. To get a perfect square. Okay, so we will carry out the process. 252 multiplied by 7. Here you can write it. The pairs you write it: 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. And then you write this, and then अगेन जो आप मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो इस तरफ, वही नंबर यहाँ पे इस तरफ मल्टीप्लाई करिए. ओके, सो हो गया. इसको मल्टीप्लाई करके आंसर फाइंड कर लीजिए, तो आपको वो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर मिल जाएगा, और लगे हाथ इस तरफ आपको स्क्वायर रूट भी मिल जाएगा. 7 2s are 14, 1 carry over, 7 5s are 35, plus 1 36, 3 carry over, 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 3 17. Hope I have not made mistake. Just check. 7 2s are 14. Okay. Now on the other side you have to continue with the same process, and now we'll put the square root symbol. So symbol से ही वो श्योर हो जाएगा कि आप अब स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड कर रहे हो. तो एक, दूसरा और तीसरा, मतलब 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7, that gives you 6 7s are 42. Is that clear? So that's how you are going to calculate. Okay, आपने नंबर लिया, उसको फैक्टराइज किया, wrote down all the factors, then paired it. The one which is left out is going to be smallest number. You have to write this process, and then कुछ नहीं करना है, इसको नीचे कॉपी डाउन करो. जो नंबर आप मल्टीप्लाई करो दोनों साइड मल्टीप्लाई करिए, फिर सिम्बॉलिकली ये मल्टीप्लाई करके यू फाइंड आउट द परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर, एंड देन go on for the square root. Symbolically write it and write down the perfect answer.